Jai Hind students. In this video we will discuss dispersion of light and formation of rainbow. But before that we have two points you can see on your screen. Refraction of light and total internal reflection. So first we have topic refraction of light. Some people call it refraction of light. In refraction, when a light beam travels from rarer medium to dense medium or denser medium, what actually happens? If this is the path of light beam, if it travels in straight path, this must be the path of light beam. But when light beam travels from rarer to dense medium or denser medium, in that case, light beam slightly bends towards the normal line. This is the normal line here. Line which is perpendicular to the surface here is normal line, and here it bends. And this nature of light is called the refraction of light. Same as when light beam travels from dense medium to rarer medium, in that case this is the straight path, but this time light beam bends away from the normal line. You can see this time from normal line it bends away, and here you can see light beam travels from rarer medium to denser medium. In that case, light beam bends towards the normal. This tendency of light, this nature of light is called refraction of light. And the reason for refraction is light beam has different speeds in different medium. And second thing is written here, total internal reflection. What is this? See this example first. And what is this total internal reflection? So if this is a dense medium, you already know that when light beam passes through a denser medium, you can see when light beam passes through a denser medium to rarer medium, in that condition light beam bends aloof from the normal line. Here light beam bends away from the normal line. What if we increase this angle here? We get that this time bending of this line, refracted line, is more. And what if we bend this line? What if incident line is more inclined? In that case, this line is here now again goes to the same medium. You can see it goes to the same medium. Now you can see this time light beam reflected internally, and this tendency of light beam is called total internal reflection. And here this angle is called critical angle. Angle for which the light beam can reflect in the same medium is called the critical angle, and this tendency is called the total internal reflection. Actually this thing is out of your syllabus, but to explain rainbow here we have to understand that. Now you can see there is a heading sunlight, which is white or colored. So sunlight is, it seems white, but it is the combination of 7 different colors. So to check this, we have an activity here. This is a prism that you can see on your screen right now. There is a prism, and when this light beam, this white light, passes through the prism, which is made of glass, in that condition you can see this is air and this is glass. In that condition these light ray bend and they get separated here into components of them, and you will get 7 different colors. If there is a screen, you can get that there are 7 different colors, where first color that you can see from the top is red, and last color you can see from the bottom is violet. This is the band of 7 colors, and this is called spectrum. So there are 7 colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. And if you take first letter of each color, you will get Vibgyor. And you are familiar with this thing. There are 7 colors in a rainbow too. So we can say that a white color light, a light forms a light, is made of 7 different colors, and this is the combination of 7 different colors. Sir Isaac Newton was the first person who explained this phenomena. And if you have a question, what is the reason behind the dispersion of white light? So you know about the refraction. What is refraction? Bending of light beam while traveling through another medium. But what is the reason that light beam bends? Actually, light beam has different speed in different medium. When light beam travels through this air to this glass slab or this glass is this or in this prism, in that condition, in denser medium, speed of light decreases and bends according to the density of this medium, means this second medium. And there in sunlight there are different 7 colors. While traveling through vacuum, they all have the same speed, but when they travel through the medium, their speed is different, in which red color light is the fastest and violet color light is the slowest, and the fastest light bends less. You can see here red is at the top, that is why, because it is the fastest among all, and the light which is slowest bends more, and that is why violet is here from the bottom. And just because of this difference in speed, we can see the bending of different light colors, and the component of light beam get separated, that we can obtain on a screen. So there are 7 colors, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. You can see that here you can get causes of dispersion of light, white light. In vacuum, lights of all colors have same speed, and in transparent mediums such as glass, water, lights of different colors travel at different speed, where red light travels the fastest and violet light is the slowest light. So red light bends the least and violet light bends the most, and this unequal bending of lights of different colors causes dispersion. We have another topic, which is Newton's disk. So to prove that white light is made of 7 different colors, Newton did an experiment. He used a disk where 7 pairs of segments of different colors were given. It is used by Newton to show color of spectrum of white light when added together gives white light. Then Newton said that if light beam is made up of 7 different colors, so what if I join 7 different colors? So Newton said that we get again white light. And to prove this thing, what it is, he took a disk and divided in 7 pairs of segments that you can see right now on your screen. And when this disk is rotated fast, the disk appears white. And the reason for this is that when it rotates fast, all the light rays are coming from the same source, and we get the combination of these light rays, and that appears white. So this shows that when we combine again these rays, we will get the white light. We can do this by a prism too. Now we have to discuss rainbow, the formation of rainbow. So have you ever seen rainbow? You can see rainbow sometimes just after rain. So you can read this line. It is said, just after the rain, a large number of small droplets of water remain suspended in the air, and each drop acts like a small prism. Means after rain, there is humidity in the air. Means there are drops of water in air, and through them dispersion of light take place. You can see, if this is a drop, this is a spherical drop, you can see, and this is the sun rays are going like this, and you know what, it is air, and this drop is made of water. Now I think you can see, this is the sunlight which goes from air to water. This is the drop. In that case, you can observe one thing, this is the rarer medium and this is the denser medium. In that case, this light beam bends towards the normal and get dispersed into different colors, into its different colors. And when these rays of different colors come to this layer, now this is the time to change the medium again from denser to rarer medium. What actually happened here is, here total internal reflection takes place, and all these rays come back in the same medium and they come here, and again they are changing their medium from denser medium to rarer medium. But this time we don't have that angle that can give us the total internal reflection. That was here, not this time here. And you can see there is a deviation. So after refraction, light beams come rarer medium. Now we can observe these light beams here. You can see this is violet, this is red. But observe one thing, if you see this rainbow, you can see red is the outermost layer of color and violet is the innermost layer of the color. So what is the reason for that? From the same spectrum you get first light, which is the red light, because red doesn't bend more and here violet bends more. So we are not able to observe violet first, we see first red, and that appears on the top of the rainbow. And what we see as our violet color in the rainbow is from different spectrum that we get here. So dispersion from a large number of drops here makes continuous band of 7 colors, and this is called rainbow here. This is all about the formation of rainbow. Now we will discuss our exercise.